in this video I'm going to show you how to cook turkey berry, or otherwise also called natural eggplant or original eggplant. It's widely used in South India and also in Thai cooking. You would have seen this. This has got immense medicinal value. It's anti-parasital. So I remember growing up eating this by my grandmother religiously. She would cook it like once in 2 weeks and feed all of us, so that anything that's unwanted in the tummy gets flushed out. So I was really excited to find this in one of my friends, a new friend I met yesterday, in her garden. She's a passionate sustainable living, grow your own food person. She has many things in her garden. So this is one of the things I got. I just want to show you other things I got from her garden. This bunch of chilies here, all of these chilies, and all of these things. So I learned something yesterday, that you can actually eat these greens of sweet potatoes. So she gave me these sweet potatoes, which are these orange ones. Everything is organic, 100%. She uses the permaculture style, and her garden is something to see because she's got chooks, she's got the whole cycle going. It's a 100% sustainable garden. So I want to show you the purple potato, the orange potatoes. What else we got? We got passion fruits. She's got like 3 varieties of passion fruits. She's got so many varieties of berries and so many things. And these are some of the things that we got yesterday, and today I'm going to make turkey berry specially and show you how to make a yummy dish out of this. It's slightly bitter, so people might be put off by its taste and choose not to cook it. But if you add the right ingredients and cook it the right way, it can really be something that you also enjoy eating, as well as trying to be healthy. So do you want to quickly say hi?
Sure.
I'm going to show my friend Claire here.
Hello.
She has a group called
Little Red Hen.
yes, so it's a new group that's formed, and she like-minded people who would like to see photos of her garden and what is growing right now. She has a lot of things that you can actually go and buy from her as well. So I'll make a separate video on that. Let's jump into the recipe now. So I have turkey berries, 1 tomato. This is a low FODMAP recipe. If you are okay with non-low FODMAP, because I try to cook anti-inflammatory and low FODMAP, you can also use onions, but I'm not going to use onions today. So it's tomatoes. I've got curry leaves. I have soaked about 1 tablespoon of tamarind here. So the juice of this tamarind, the things that I need to prep first. Other ingredients we need is some fresh coconut, and I've got these 3 spices here, which is the chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. So what I'm going to do is dry roast the coconut, the frozen coconut, which I've defrosted. I'm going to dry roast it. So we want it nicely golden brown. My stove is really hot now, so it's quickly turning brown. So I'm going to take it off the stove, give it a stir. It's really hot, so I'm not going to put it back on the heat, because I don't want it burnt. I want that beautiful brown flavor which is starting to come up now. So once it's starting to get light brown, I'll add the spice powder, the chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder, and then the coconut is done. So I'm going to put it down and quickly add. So this is about 1 teaspoon of chili powder, This is an electric stove. It gets really hot and keeps the temperature. I'm going to switch it off. And about half a teaspoon turmeric powder and a generous amount of coriander powder. So I'm adding like almost 3 teaspoons of coriander powder to 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you are a heat lover, you can always go for a bit more chili, but bear in mind that this is a food as medicine, so you don't want to go too high on the flavor. We just want to keep it nice to eat. So what I'm going to do now is nicely squeeze the tamarind through the water, so all the sourness of the tamarind come through to the water, and then I filter that out. So what we are interested is in the water, and then we don't need this anymore because we've got all the flavors out of it. So that's tamarind prepped. I'll show you how to prep the turkey berry. So you can either chop it like this in half, or just you got 2-3 and smash it. Done. I don't want to smash it too much so all the seeds come out. I just want to smash it enough because it's just a few. I'm going to use my hand. So I've prepped the turkey berry. The curry leaves are ready. I'm going to simply rough chop the tomatoes. So the tomatoes are ready, and then now I'm going to grind this coconut and chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, broiled mixture. I'm going to put this in my So the paste is ready here. So I've got all the ingredients ready. Now we can go to the stove to finish this. So let's start bringing it all together. I'm going to use sesame oil today, but I normally use olive oil for different things and mustard oil for different things. This curry especially tastes good with sesame oil. But if you have no access to sesame oil, no stress, just use any oil that you have. So I'm going to add some mustard seeds to temper, and some cumin seeds if you have. If you don't have cumin seeds, that's not needed. But mustard and curry leaves. Then in goes the turkey berry. And in goes the tomatoes. And in goes the turmeric water. And I'm going to add some salt to this. So we've got to cook this turkey berry through. I'm going to give this 10 minutes. It should be cooked in 10 minutes. Add some more water. And keep this covered for 10 minutes. So I'm going to set a timer. Come back in 5 minutes. Have a look. And add this spice mix in. And let it boil together, and then our curry is ready. So we're going to come back in 5 minutes. Add this and then let it boil for another 5 minutes, and then the curry is ready. So it's been just under 5 minutes and I'm just checking it. It's really become tender within 5 minutes because it's just fresh from the plant from last night. It's cooked really fast, and this is a vegetable where the skin will anyway be little tough But what you're after is the seeds, the plenty of seeds inside, which is what is cleansing. Now I'm going to add this entire coconut mixture. It's going to make it really yummy. Now with the sourness from the tamarind and the slight bitterness and the astringent taste from the turkey berry and the coconut and spices makes this divine with some hot rice, boiled rice. Yum. Now this is cooked for a further 2 to 3 minutes and the curry is ready. I'll serve this with hot rice